speech recognition software is a software that allows a computer to actually recognize a human voice and turn it into data. Perhaps the most popular type of speech recognition software known to us is speech-to-text. This is a type of software that listens to a human voice and turns that into text and actually types. It allows you to type by voice. So this can have a number of benefits in the classroom. It can benefit people with people who are visually impaired, people with IEPs, people who lack fine motor skills, really anyone who has a problem communicating their ideas through writing and is better at doing so orally. It provides them with a benefit because it allows them to speak through their ideas and convey them that way. One limitation to this technology may be students becoming too reliant on the technology, forgetting or not learning properly how to write, physically, penmanship-wise, how to type, things like that. So we're going to today compare Dragon Naturally Speaking and Dictate Pro. Both programs are speech-to-text programs that allow the user to translate their speech to written to typed text. Dragon Naturally Speaking comes installed on our computers. We have version 11. The latest version of Dragon Naturally Speaking is version 12, and it retails for $199.99. So it is quite pricey. However, in my research, in comparing it to Dictate Pro, it's worth every penny because Dictate Pro is really nowhere in comparison to Dragon Naturally Speaking, and you'll see why when I show you. So we're going to go into a Word document, and this is probably one of the best things about Dragon Naturally Speaking is that you can speak your text into any outlet. So you can do into a web browser, into any word processor you'd like. So what we're going to do is tap on the on button on the microphone and just say. As you can see, I've said the words and they've come up on the screen. The other great positive about Dragon Naturally Speaking is that it doesn't simply take your words and convert it to text. You can also do something like this. Select all, delete. And as you can see, we can also navigate the computer via Dragon Naturally. Looking at the open source counterpart, which is called Dictation Pro, what you would do is turn the microphone on and say, just for sake of comparison, I'm going to say the same thing. Dragon Naturally Speaking. As you can see, it hasn't come up. Dragon Naturally Speaking. And we did not get Dragon Naturally Speaking. We instead got Drain Naturally Speaking. So it is bad quality in comparison, especially. It only works in their word processor, as you guys can see, it's not a very good word processor, and it does not allow you to navigate around the screen. So that is my short little comparison of an open source program in comparison to its paid counterpart. I hope you enjoyed and learned something useful. Thanks for listening.